So the Shelly's got some new roommates. See if we can see them. I just couldn't pass these guys up because if you see that female on the top, she's already holding fry. You can also see the julidochromis in the back. I got a group of them, and they're staking out some new rockwork that I put over here, as well as they're really enjoying behind this piece. We can kind of see them peeking over a lot over the rock. So the plan of here is that the julidochromis will happily live in the rockwork, and the cyprichromis, cyprichromis here, will occupy this open water area more. Right now, the Shelleys are adjusting to tank mates as they have decided that they own everything. But they're actually not being too bad. They're just enjoying chasing around new fish. See, everyone's just hanging out. I'm keeping an eye just to make sure the dominant male isn't bothering the holding female too much. So the cyprichromis, there's 2 males and 2 females. One's holding. Let's see if I can zoom in on them. Probably should see if I can get more light in this tank. But the males have the pretty yellow tail and some really nice markings. The little white ventral fins and little dots on their dorsal fin. And they'll probably get brighter, I'm sure, as they get older. And then I was really lucky because there was a bunch of different types of julidochromis to pick from, and I chose to get these ones with the more checkerboard pattern. And they actually have a really pretty kind of blue line in their fins that'll also get more prominent as they get older. I'll post in the description the actual subspecies here because I just don't remember it off the top of my head. But I think the Julies just they don't care about the Maltese at all. Like, they're like, whatever, dude. Like, they're just going about their day, eating and enjoying themselves. I'll probably actually want to eventually get a little bit more rock for them. Stack up this side maybe a little higher. But they seem very happy, so I don't think they're in desperate need of it. I do really like the social behavior here of the cyprichromis, because so the female that's holding, the 2 males kind of help protect her. Like, they kind of fend off the Maltese. Let me see, hold on a second. Just make everyone spook. We can get a little bit more light in here. There we go. A little bit. But yeah, they help guard her, which I think is a really cool social behavior. So they're always near her, and they don't pester her, but they help keep the Maltese from pestering her. And they don't seem to, neither them or the julidochromis seem to be bothered by each other at all. So it's definitely just the Maltese who, have been in this tank now for several months and think that they own the place, which, until Tuesday they did. So just having them all settle in for territories. But the kind of cool thing is, because the Shelleys are being more territorial, they also get to see them more, because they're not just hanging out at their their caves, you know, the shells, they're coming out and up a little higher. I mean, they don't tend to go much past, you know, this top part here. So mostly everyone ignores each other except when I put food in, and of course I put some microworms in and some dry food before filming so that everyone come out. So those are some of the new fish for the Lake Tanganyika tank. And like I said, I'll put the description or the scientific names down in the description, and I'm sure I'll keep you posted on when there's fry.